Jewett House is the tallest building on campus with 9 floors and the best views.
Come on in. Welcome to my room.
Very, very nice.
Thank you. We have room over there for a fridge, which is great. And I really like the desk setup also. Yeah, and it helps to have the dressers underneath the beds, just so that it gives us more space in the room for other belongings. Here's the closet.
Here we have the parlor where students can gather for fun events or for study sessions. Jewett also has 2 multi-purpose rooms which are used for scheduled and impromptu student gatherings. It was built in 1907 and originally named North, but was renamed Jewett after the first president of Vassar College in 1915. Jewett is home to 235 students housed in singles, doubles, and suites.